catch 'em, gotta catch 'em all. Gotta catch 'em all. Pokemon.
Welcome back to the channel, Preloaders. So we got a hit of the new Pokemon Trick or Trade set. I've been hunting forever for these things and wasn't able to find any, but today I decided to call another store, and what do you know, perfect timing, they ended up putting up 24 on the shelf. So we are on our way now to go ahead and get our hands on these things. Oh, it's been like a hard 2 weeks before I can find any, so I'll go ahead and head over there and pick some up. So check you out when we get there. We're on, I believe, like September 6th today. The release of these things was supposed to be September 1st, but places like Kohl's, they ended up releasing it like 3 weeks ahead of time. But by the time I went over to our locals Kohl's, oh my gosh, it was just freaking horrible. They're so bad with like inventory stuff. They didn't even know exactly where they put all their stuff. So by the time I found it, which was like 2 days later after I went to Kohl's, we finally found the spot where it was, me and the workers there, and the box was empty, which was so bogus. And ever since then, I've been checking like every other day, and I haven't been able to find it at all. So I've been looking at other places like Walmart, Target, and the day that it was supposed to drop on Target, they ended up dropping it like later on in the afternoon. By the time I got there, it was an empty box too. Oh, I was so disappointed on those things. The main reason why I want to get these cards is definitely hold on to some, but usually over at my work, if I am doing like a client or something and they bring their child in, I do nails for a living, so when their child comes in and they're talking about Pokemon and stuff, I actually hand out free Pokemon packs to them. So I'm kind of looking forward to that. And it's so hard nowadays that fighting scalpers all over for everything. I mean, it's crazy. We're even fighting over Hot Wheels. People that don't even collect Hot Wheels, they just want to hang on to Hot Wheels just to try to make like a buck off of it, which is super sad, but I guess this is how life is, and that's what you got to do to compete against them. Alright, so we just ended up heading into Gary, New Duluth over here. Ooh, look at that. I think that's Javen's new Corvette right there, looking nice. That's his shop on that side. We got Cruise for Cancer coming up, and this whole block is going to be super busy. I don't think I'm going to be able to make it out this year. I did want to get the Prayzilla done. I got a new thing coming out, if you guys didn't know, for Prayzilla. Actually, I don't think a lot of people know. But she's supposed to be a little bit faster. You know what I'm saying? And I won't be able to get to that probably until springtime. Here we are, the local Family Dollar. This is the juice. Oh, I waited so long for these cards, it's ridiculous. I'm so happy and relieved that I found some now. I just hope she didn't sell them all by the time we got in here. But I think we should be good. Family Dollar. So I ended up going over to the Hot Wheels aisle, checking it out, and what do you know? Boom. Soup. Can't believe it, just sitting right in front. Oh, that's crazy. Well, that's another nice hit right there. And there it is. I ended up buying 2 boxes, 24 total. The bill was like $400. Crazy. Bam, there it is. Local Family Dollar. And my bill right there, $15 a pop, and there was 24 total. Oh my gosh. I noticed these boxes, they're actually more flimsy than the ones that are released at the other store. There's our super that we got for a bonus, but wow, I can't believe it. Look at this booster bundle. Oh my gosh, finally got my hands on some. Can't believe it. Waited forever for these guys. These ones, they have a cards in there, which has a little Pikachu head stamp on the right hand bottom corner of the card. So this is kind of like an exclusive set, but there isn't much of like a chase or anything in there. So I am stoked to have those. All right, so check it out. Here it is. This is the Trick or Trade Booster Bundle. The Pokemon packs they got going on for trick-or-treaters for Halloween. This one says it includes 40 mini packs of Pokemon TCG cards. This is what it looks like in the back. Spooky surprises lurk inside. Share Pokemon fun and excitement on the spookiest night of the year with a Pokemon bundle of booster packs. Inside you'll find 40 mini packs, each containing 3 colorful cards from Pokemon trading game. See here, down here it's got Pokemon Company International Trick or Trade. Pretty fancy bag they got going on here, and you know, instead of just throwing them all in there, just the packs alone, be kind of sloppy. But you can see here, I think I feel something in the back of this that actually makes it flat on one side. So we're gonna go ahead and open up this pack here just to see what's inside. Now, I don't know how rare these are going to be. Some people are saying like they are going to be pretty rare, and a lot of people are saying no, they're not. So we'll see as time comes and see how rare they are. But for these, for now, I am not going to open up these packs. I just want to see the packs inside. Wow, look at that. So like I was saying, there is something flat in there. It's just a piece of cardboard they put flat in there. And here are the packs. Wow, these feel way flatter than the normal dollar store packs. But that's pretty awesome. So check this out. I just opened up this bag right here. As you guys can see, I cut it, and then it came with this cardboard, right? So as you can see here, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Over here, next pile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's another 10, so that makes 20 over there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That makes 30, right? There's supposed to be 40 in here. And this last bundle I have to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, they gave me 38 packs. Would you believe that? That is crazy. Wow. Talk about what do you call it? Quality control. took me for 2 packs, which is pretty bogus of them. But what are you gonna do? So make sure everybody counts their packs. There could be some that are missing, just like mine, like that. I just wanted these packs in my hands, so that's why I decided to open them up. As you can see, they're pretty awesome. Definitely super stoked finding these packs. Wow. Your dark packs, got that ghostly vibe, or the psychic vibe from Pokemon. This is awesome. Yep, so I hope you guys get out there and make sure you find some. If you aren't able to find any, make sure you go to the smaller stores like Dollar Generals, or even, you know, like me, Family Dollar. And that's how I was able to get my hands on these. Just give them a call and ask them, and you never know, you might fall in luck and find some. So till next time, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.